Good day friends. In last video we have seen the information about the practice set 1.1, that is properties of the areas of two triangle, and today we are going to start the practice set 1.1 of the similarity. The example is of that base of the triangle is 9 and height is 5, base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of the areas of these two triangles. In this way, in this example, the areas of we have to find the ratio of the areas of two triangle, and we have to given that the base is 9 and height is 5, and the base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Then we have to find the ratio of these two triangles. Okay, now we have seen the four properties of the areas of two triangle. The first property is that the ratio of the areas of two triangle is equal to the product of their corresponding base and corresponding height. We will use that or this property. Then we will write here, let the base be b1 and the height is h1 of first triangle and b2 be the base and h2 be the height of another triangle. Okay, now we will write here, therefore b1 is equal to base of the first triangle. See here, base of first triangle is 9, b1 is equal to 9, comma, height h1 is equal to 5, comma, b2 means b2 is the base of another triangle. What is the base of another triangle? Is 10 here, correct. b2 is equal to 10 and h2 is equal to height of another triangle is 6. Okay, this part is a given. Now we will write the ratio of the property. We will write here the ratio of the areas of two triangle. The ratio of the areas of two triangle is equal to the ratio of the product of their base and corresponding height. We will write the property here. The ratio of the areas of two triangle is equal to the product of their corresponding base and the height. We have to write this property, and we will write here area of triangle 1 by area of triangle 2 is equal to b1 into h1 by b2 into h2. Okay, this is the given part. Then we will put the values here. What are the values? Therefore area of triangle 1 by area of triangle 2 is equal to, what is B1 here? B1 is equal to 9 into H1 is 5 divided by B2 is 10 into H2 is 6 here. This is part we have put or substitute in the formula. Okay, now if here 9 and 6 will be cut by 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6 and 5 1s are 5 5 2s are 10, therefore is equal to now area of triangle 1 by area of triangle 2 is equal to 3 1s are 3 and 2 2s are 4. Therefore the ratio of the areas of two triangle, the ratio, therefore we will write the last answer, the ratio of the areas of two triangle is 3:4, is 3:4. this is the answer. आता या उदाहरणामध्ये आपण काय काय केलं सगळ्या स्टेप लक्षात ठेवा. अगोदर आयडेंटिफाय केलं की प्रॉपर्टी कोणती यूज करायची. जर दोन ट्रायंगलच्या हाईट आणि बेस जर डिफरंट असेल तर त्यासाठी आपण ही प्रॉपर्टी यूज करतो. द रेशो ऑफ द एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देअर करस्पॉन्डिंग बेस अँड द हाईट. आणि जर कॉमन बेस असेल, कॉमन हाईट असेल किंवा कॉमन बेस आणि हाईट असेल त्यावेळेला आपण ती प्रॉपर्टी आपण यूज करतोय. ओके, आता आपण येतोय एक्झाम्पल नंबर 2 कडे. ओके, इट इज अ एक्झाम्पल नंबर 2 and in this example see here there are two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ADB. These are two triangles. In these two triangles, which is the base and which is the height? Okay, see here in triangle ABC, BC is perpendicular to AB. Here is given BC is perpendicular AB, therefore the BC is a height and the AB is a base. Okay, now in another triangle, that is triangle ADB. See here triangle ADB, AD perpendicular AB, AD or AD perpendicular AB. What is the height will be here? This here AD is a height and AB is a base, and given is that BC is equal to 4 and AD is equal to 8. Now friend, we have identified what is the common here, that is base AB is a common. Then which property we will use? Okay, the ratio of the areas of two triangle having the common base is equal to the ratio of their corresponding height. This is the property we have to use here. Then we will write here in the answer, we will write here what is given in triangle ABC. BC is height and AB is base. Okay, now in triangle ADB, what is the height here? AD is a height, and AB is a base. Now clear that you have seen here, you are identify that base is a common. Then we will write the property here. Therefore the ratio of the areas of two triangle, ratio of the areas of two triangle having equal base is equal to the ratio of corresponding is equal to the ratio of corresponding height. Okay, it is the property and we have written here. Now we will use, therefore, what are the given here? BC is 4. Okay, see here, BC is equal to 4 and AD is equal to 8. Now, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle ADB. ADB is equal to, base is same, therefore the ratio of their corresponding ratio of the areas of two triangle having equal base is equal to the ratio of their corresponding height. Okay, the height of the first triangle, that is BC, by the height of the second triangle or another triangle is a AD here. AD. Okay, now we will put the values here. I will write the remaining part of the example at the upward side here. I will write here, see here, BC is equal to 4 here and AD is equal to 8. Okay, now see here, therefore area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB is equal to, BC is 4 divided by AD is equal to 8. Here we have put the values of the BC and AD here. Therefore, 4 will be cancelled. 4 by 8, 4 into 4 or 4 2s are 8. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB is equal to 1 by 2. It is the answer of second example. Okay, boys. Now we will take the example. It is example number 3rd. In this example, the figure is given and in the figure segment PS here. Segment PS is perpendicular to segment RQ. Okay, now see here. Segment QT, here QT is perpendicular to segment PR, and what is given here? We will write the given QR or RQ is equal to 6, comma PS is equal to 6 and PR is equal to 12 and PR is equal to 12, and we have to find QT here. Here I will write here QT is equal to question mark. Okay, now we have know the formula of the areas of triangle. We'll write here area of triangle PRS or PRQ, sorry, PRQ is equal to 1/2 into base into height. This is the formula of area of triangle PRQ. Now we will put the values is equal to, now 1/2 into base, that is a PRQ. What is the base? RQ or QR is given here. 6 into height is PS. PS is also given to you. Now we will cut by 2 here. 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6 here. Therefore, area of triangle PRQ is equal to 6 into 3, that is 18 here. Okay, now here 18 is a area of triangle here. There is no unit, therefore I will write the unit here, square unit, in this way. Now by another way, area of triangle PRQ here, see here PRQ, and in the second way, that is QT is height and PR is a base here. I will write here area of triangle PRQ is equal to 1/2 into base into height, HEIGHT. Okay, now here area of triangle we have find here. Therefore, area of triangle is 18 is equal to 1/2 into, what is the base? Base is PR and the value of PR is given to you. here 12 into height, that is a QT here. I will write QT. Okay. Now I will cut by 2 this 12. 2 1s are 2 and 2 6s are 12. That is 18 is equal to 6 QT. And QT is equal to QT 6 years multiply and it here will be divided by, therefore QT is equal to 18 by 6, that is QT is equal to 6 3s are 18, therefore QT is equal to 3 here. It is the answer, that is last answer, that is QT is equal to 3. Okay, we have completed example number 3 now, and we will continue the example number 4. Okay, this is example number 4, and in this example, in the following figure, AP is perpendicular BC. Here, see here, AP is perpendicular to BC. AD is parallel BC. This here, AD parallel BC. Okay. And these two lines, that is AD and BC are the parallel, and AP is the distance in between them. Okay, now see here, we have to find the area of ABC, triangle ABC and BCD. These are two triangles, and we have to find the ratio in between these two triangles. Now in this figure, the first triangle is ABC here, ABC. Okay, and what is the base here? BC is the base of this triangle and AP is the height of this triangle. Okay, now see here, in the second triangle, that is BCD. Okay, now in this triangle, BC is a base, and what is the height? Height is the same here, height AP is the same. Now in these two triangles, the base is a common and height AP is also a common. Okay, now if the base and height are congruent or same, then the ratio of the areas of two triangles with the same base and equal height are the equal. The ratio must be equal of these two triangles if the base and the height are the congruent. Okay, now see here in the figure, right here, in the figure, the base, in the figure, the base of two triangle, the base of two triangle, that is BC is common or same, and the height AP is also common. What is the reason? Because the distance in between two parallel lines is the height of these two triangles. Okay, now we write here the distance in between two parallel line, parallel line is the height of two triangle. It is the reason here. Then I will write the property here. What is the property? Area of two triangle. Area of two triangle having equal base and height. Equal base and height is equal or is congruent or is are equal or the is equal are equal. It is the property of the areas of two triangle having equal base and equal height. Okay, then I will write here, therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle BCD is equal to area of triangle BCD. And if I will take the ratio of these two triangles, then what will be here? This BCD comes here, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle BCD is equal to 1 by 1. That is 1:1. Then I will write the last answer. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD is equal to 1:1. It is the last answer of the example number 4. Okay, now the example number 5th, it is very simple. You will solve it and we will take the break for this exercise 1.1 and we will continue the next part in the next video. आणि तोपर्यंत तुम्हा सर्वांना बेस्ट लक आणि सर्व उदाहरणं 1.1 मधले सोडवा आणि फार सोपे आहेत. फक्त 4 प्रॉपर्टीवर डिपेंड आहेत आणि अगोदर आयडेंटिफाय करायचे तुम्हाला कोणती प्रॉपर्टी यूज करायची आहे. ओके, तोपर्यंत तुम्हा सर्वांना बेस्ट ऑफ लक. ओके, थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.